Tasty Recipes is a powerful, lightweight recipe plugin for WordPress blogs. Give your readers everything they need: a seamless user experience, a beautiful recipe format, and effortless recipe scaling with a back-end power of up-to-date recipe schema to provide an in-depth view of your recipe to search engines the way a recipe plugin should. Tasty Recipes is simple to install and easy to use. Adding your recipe is easy. Format recipe sections with the header button and turn your ingredients and instructions into lists. You can also easily add step-by-step videos and images with the click of a button. Important recipe details, including custom time fields, are easy to add, and we've provided fields for all nutrition macronutrients from nutritionally oriented bloggers. Enable custom buttons such as Print, Pinterest Follow, Slickstream Favorites, and Mediavine Grow right inside your recipe card. Effortlessly toggle between US customary and metric units. Nothing to set up or configure. Just flip the switch and your readers are ready to convert. With Tasty Recipes, there's no jumping through hoops to talk to a real person to get the support you need. All Tasty Recipes users receive personalized customer service from day one. Tasty Recipes is the solution you've been hoping to find for effortlessly publishing recipes to your food blog